In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Paint.net for Windows. It is free. So go on Google and you can search for Paint.net. Do not press the first link. This is not correct, even though it says Paint.net. Click on the second link that says Get Paint.net. You will come to their website, and up here you have a download link button thing. Click this. Here you have two options. One is get it from the Microsoft Store, which is paid, or this option, which is free. So you can press that, and up here you have a free download now, Paint.net. Click that, and you will now, well, here you have the zip folder that you downloaded, and you can pull that to your desktop. This is a zipped folder, so you have to extract its content. You can do that by extracting. Right click and find something like extract. Select a destination and extract files. I want it on the desktop. Here we have the extracted folder, and here you have the application to install Paint.net. Double click that. Click yes. Continue. It will take some time to load. So here we have the Paint.net installer. You have two options, Express and Custom. Just choose the Express. This is the recommended choice for most users. Press Next. If you agree to their license, press I agree and click Next. And wait for it to, well, finish. Paint.net was installed successfully. You press Finish, and it should open up. You now have Paint.net. Yay! You can draw, you can do things. If you want to have dark mode, press this settings button in the top right corner. User interface, and you can choose dark mode. If you want more tutorials on Paint.net, maybe on how to use it or do different tricks with it, comment down below and subscribe. Bye.